Very useful tool right here. This one is the wide green beam self-leveling cross line laser level with the tripod. Open this up and see what we get inside. You have the user manual right here. You got the batteries included. You have the tripod, which I really like because it's a right size and length for this device here. You have the carrying pouch, with this piece right here, so you can attach it to a wall, mount it. I like it. And then you have over here, what do you have in here? This is the unboxing experience. I'm opening it for the first time. You have your green beam glasses. Nice. You can wear this right here. Green beam glasses. Oh yeah, there we go. We have our green beam glasses right here. And then we have the actual device over here. So this is the device. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. The glass is so clear. I like it. All right, so this one attaches to a tripod. We're gonna test this out right now. We use laser levels in all of our work to mount all of our lights. Very important because it makes it easy to mount things perfectly level, and this is self-leveling, so it makes it even easier. So here is the actual tripod. So you can lock this in place right here. You have a water bubble here. Nice. All right, let's expand this and let's see how long this thing gets right here. Sweet, smooth action. I like it. We got 2 levels for the legs here. 1 and 2. Good height. And then this thing extends up too, so we have that height as well. So we're gonna test this out and see how well this works. All right, and then we got our laser leveler here, and this one attaches on with a 1/4 20 thread at the bottom. So we're gonna attach it onto this little tripod mount. So we take that out. And we're gonna attach this over here. So no tools needed. You're just gonna use your hands here because this one has a little lock. So you can tighten it down like so, just like this. And you're gonna tighten it with your hands. That should be good enough, and close that. So now we can attach this over here, and that will lock in place over here. This is our locking mechanism. This is open like that, and then you close in and lock it just like that. Sweet. Okay, and then you have the rotation here. I like that. Nice. That's a sweet option. I think I should mount it the other way though. So let me open this again, take this out, switch it over here, open this and lock it. Now it's in the right orientation. And then this rotation here, we can lock like so. This one you lock with this orientation. Okay, lock that. And this one we can heighten, raise and lower it with this, I believe. Let me see, how do you change the height of this? Is this how you change the height? Supposed to be the height adjustment. So this one should go up a little bit too, right? I think it does. So we're gonna open this up, figuring out for the first time. Here, this one. Yeah. So you open it up and you can raise up like this. That's smooth, okay. And then this will lock in place. That's how it works. Okay, cool. And let's turn it on, test it out, on, off right here. We're gonna see how well it levels for us. This is auto leveling, so we're gonna test it out on this wall here and see how well it measures our level right here. So turn it on. Gotta put on the batteries. Batteries need to go on. So where do the batteries go in? The battery compartment is here. You see how this thing slides out and you can access the battery chamber. Battery chamber is right here. Slide it out, put the batteries. It's three AA batteries that are included. So they are right here. Grab the batteries, load it up, and we should be good. So batteries go in. There's a plus sign here. And then you have the indication of the positive and negatives over there. So that's how you align the polarities for the batteries. So another plus sign here. And then the last one is going to be the negative polarity like that. Lock it in. So there's 3 AA batteries. Lock it in. And we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, now we can test it. Okay, super easy to set up. That's it. And open this, lock it in place, and turn it on. Power on. 1, 2, 3. Are we on? There we go. There's our laser right there, and we can see how it's leveled. So right now, this thing is showing us the level, and it's still in the lock position. So there's a laser above too, and right here. So we can unlock it, and now it's self-leveling. You see, there's a lock right here. This is the lock and unlock. Once you unlock it, it levels it for you. So now this is perfectly level. So you can see how to level things just like that. You see how it helps us level this line perfectly, right? And then same thing if you want to level or something that's horizontal, like this piece of wood. You see how it will level the wood perfectly for us. Just like that, you have a perfect horizontal, self-leveling horizontal, and self-leveling vertical. This is a game changer when you are putting together any type of attachment to your wall, whether you're mounting picture frames or you're mounting lights. This is a game changer. This thing is awesome right here. Oh yeah.